Welcome to the channel, Mac Dactyl. I want to start by saying thank you and I appreciate every single one of you that have subscribed, comment, and like in the channel. I appreciate every single one of you. Today we sort of working in the CRX / in my house. I'm making space. As y'all know, the last episode I was working in the Wolverine hatch. I had my motorcycle, he was taking space, so I moved it out. Got the seat right here, of course. So the motorcycle, at some point today, I want to move it out, take it out so I can put it in my basement so we can start vlogging on it. Also, I want to take out the CRX outside. Get ready to start removing my gate. This is the process I have to go through shit here. So this is all loose. Remove my gate. Now I gotta charge my battery real quick on my grill. Possibly just move that gate if I have to. If not, I should be able to slide the car here. Gotta move the RS7 forward just so I could get the motorcycle out. I'm giving the CRX motor away to a friend of mine, that he does crap. He's gonna help me today. What we're doing today on the block, which is cutting the CRX, what was left over. I really never show how I cut the CRX that I had here for the CRX restoration. We had a donor one, so I'll show a partial of that today. But first thing first, I took out the hatch and the RSX just so I could maneuver and make all these cars out of here. It's kind of like tic-tac-toe. So I got to push this forward so I could get this out, get whatever out. As y'all see, I'm kind of clustered. I got too much stuff, so yeah. I just want to get today going and see where today leads at. So with that being said, let's get it. guys heard the beast. She's on. She's warm. She wants out. Put it back in here. I got more space. I don't have the motorcycle there no more. Put the jack inside there so that way I have more space inside the Wolverine fucking garage. You know what I'm saying? The CRX we're gonna put in the basement so we can start working on it. So it works 50-50. Right now I'm gonna put the gate up back up, close the shit back, and then we'll worry about putting the bike in the basement, the spot that we needed. So with that being said, let's get it. Alright boys, so I have the RXS parked the way I used to before, so we have more coverage. That way in case I gotta move CRX again, it's easier. I don't have to whip it in and out. Simply open this gate, the RSX will stay here, and I could take out the CRX and put it in here as I please. Or if I have to work in another car. So that's a plus. We got her back in here. Got the RSX here. About to back in the hatch real quick in this pace. And that should be a wrap. As far as parking spots and moving the toys. So moving along. Está bien ahí mismito. Dice, párate al lado del cajo. Quiero que la gente vea qué alto tú eres al lado del cajo y todo. Párate allí. Inventar. Mira que yo me tuve que joder partiendo este cabrón. ¿Quién iba a decir que esto se pudo parar así?
eso, dude.
A little bit right there. Almost done.
All that for that, huh?
All that for that. Now the fun begins. The death of a CRX, the birth of another one. Eso era todo el mambo en esta cosa. Well, yours first. Alright, boys. So, if y'all seen, I got the floor over here. Me and my boy, we cut it off. We nearly got the whole entirely pan. So, I'm gonna take my time, study what I'm gonna cut off of over here. If I gotta do in 2 pieces, however, just get it done. So, yeah. I'm gonna keep this here so I could pressure watch in the next couple days. I gotta save this piece like I said, because I gotta color and measure it, so I could cut off from the CRX the part that I need from the floor. I trying to cut off and save as much as possible. Whatever I could save from the CRX, I'm gonna save it, but this floor pan is gonna replace the one on the CRX, at least half of it. So we'll see when we get there. But today's job was to finish cutting this up and saving it for that job.